Hey, welcome to the Canva Tricks and Tips and Tricks series. We are on number 8 today, and today we are talking about how to create a gradient background in Canva. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to Elements, and we're just going to search gradient. I've already typed it in for us. And we are just going to click on any of the ones here. So we're going to drag that, click on these little circles here, drag it to however you want it, wherever you want it. And if you look at the top here, there's two colors. So you can actually change the colors you want. We'll just, for simplicity's sake, do say green and white. But you can do that, and then you can kind of drag it around. You can change the position of it however you want it. If you want it a little lighter, you can flip it around if you want to change where it is. But essentially, that's really all there is to it. It's pretty simple, you guys. Nothing really to it. So that is how you make the gradient background. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments if there's any videos that you would like me to see and create for you guys. If there's anything that you want to learn with Canva, they're always coming up with new fun things to do. So let me know in the comments, and I will see you around for our next video. Bye, guys.